generally when in female HRT, when they're talking about estrogen balance and estrogen dominance, that tends to be a lack of progesterone as opposed to excess estrogens. But the problem that we have, and that's what's causing estrogen dominance, it's not that you got too much of one, it's that you don't have enough of the other. When it comes to estrogens, the problem with estrogens is that we've got endogenous estrogens like estrone, estriol, estradiol, but then we've also got xenoestrogens. And we know that xenoestrogens are causing much more problems with our health than endogenous estrogens are, which is why blocking natural estrogen production is not as important as helping the body detoxify from exogenous estrogens. So in terms of what DIM does, I mean, the problem with DIM is that one, the studies I think are extrapolated from animal studies, and I don't think that they have the weight of the evidence that people who sell them would like to claim that they do. And it also acts as an estrogen agonist in high doses. It acts like a phytoestrogen. But theoretically, when guys are talking about what DIM in combination with calcium D-glucarate do, is that it helps your body convert estrogens into more easily metabolized versions of estrogen, and then it allows your body to clear it out. In practice, I have not seen it do anything to help anyone with estrogenic symptoms, and the only people who claim it do are either suffering from placebo effect or they're selling it. So is it worth the try or is it snake oil? I would put it in the snake oil category. If you're looking for something to help support your liver metabolize what it's metabolizing and detoxify toxins and living in a more toxic urban environment, I just stick with the tried and true, which is glutathione, which can either be injected or you can take it orally in a reduced form. There's a bunch of people who parrot, and again, people parrot all kinds of stuff on the internet because they don't read anything. And they say that oral glutathione doesn't work, you have to inject it. That's simply not true, but it needs to be in a reduced, like liposomal form to allow your body to metabolize it through the liver. So I use just Jarrow's reduced glutathione, 500 milligrams to a gram twice a day. Or you can look at getting injectable glutathione at 100 to 200 milligrams injected a couple of times a week. That's going to be the best thing that's going to help support your liver metabolize xenoestrogens. I asked Dr. Serrano about this a while ago because I like asking him more kind of out there questions like this. This is the stuff that I think about. He referenced glycine, 5 grams of glycine a day. I think that there's some good literature to support that glycine will also help the liver metabolize xenoestrogens, but I think those two things in combination are not going to do you any harm. If anything, they're going to only net you benefits. And I would be looking into those over things like DIM, calcium D-glucarate, or anything else in that category.